entrepreneur who loves exploring architecture and design. He started his career while doing architecture schooling in Chandigarh. He has worked on various multidisciplinary projects from designing educational institutions to commercial complexes and regenerating parks to public spaces in different cities since 2017. He is currently working on an international project, now serving as a professional architect and director of Uniangle Private Limited. Before this, he worked at the building construction department for a year and also contributed to the Patna Smart City project. So let's welcome Mr. Ravi.
So let's come to the redevelopment of the railway station, which I work for Patna Smart City. And Patna Smart City, here is the plan of the railway station, which here is the master plan of this city. And in some distance, there is the Adalatganj Lake area development, which is the development of the main objective of this project is to turn Adalatganj Lake into a recreational spaces, like where can people gather and enjoy time with family and friends. So, which having area of 7.90 acres, and basically the scope of work is like rejuvenating of existing pond through trenching, cleaning, and remodeling. And here's the existing picture of this lake, which we turned into this proposed master plan. So here's the master plan of this existing Adalatganj Lake, which having design element of here's the entrance plaza of that space, and on street parking for the people who come and enjoy with the family, and food and craft for kiosks for gathering purposes, and ghats for religious plaza. And as we know, our main curve is Chhath Puja, and they can perform their religious activity, and some open air theatre for youth and young youth. So here's the smart drainage irrigation with rainwater harvesting plant as well. So here is the some views of this project, like here's the OAT where the people can sit and enjoy the quality time, and here is some entrance area, pond area, and landscape area. So after this, there is a Mandiri Nala. Basically, it is the main city drainage line connecting with the government administrative area and housing to the Gangas River. So where it is located in Patna, and cleaning, the main scope of the work is to cleaning the existing drain and setting all utilities like services like sewer drainage and water pipes, electrical cuttings, and all the cutting trees and develop to the main area. And here is the scope of work, and here is the some engineering drawing and execution drawing which is attached here. So here is the Bakarganj Nala. Bakarganj is mainly known for the electronics market, and here is the nuisance where the drainage is not well. So here is the critical evolution of the existing storm drainage system in Bakarganj Nala. So analyzing the rainfall data and collected from nearest rain gauge, we adopted to design, and here is some identification of the ultimate receiving body of the storm runoff together with the relevant features. So here is the stretch where the Nala and here is the some point where the all spaces are designed. Here is the road above the drain. So here is the mega stream, Gandhi Maidan. Here is the main ground of the Patna Gandhi Maidan, where the big screen size is 80 by 40 is proposed for viewing within the area of 100 to 150 square meters. So the screen is to be used for movies and for social fundraising and other events requiring outdoor projection. So here is the major component of the open air theatre, where a projector with each bending and audio system is all over in this area. And here is the roof. The government is also concerned about the sustainability and landscaping. So most of the government buildings have no solar and solar lights. So most of the so here is the sum of the building. To around 20 buildings are remaining for the implementation, and all are done by data for solar rooftop implementation. And here is the beautification of Gandhi Maidan. So Gandhi Maidan here is a part of this area, and here is the Mahatma Gandhi Setu. So the theme of the project is like to design and detail of the illuminating high-rise building. And here is the Viskuman Bhavan. Here is the main building of that area, Viskuman Bhavan, and here is the Golghar. For the beautification of this area, and the details for illuminating high-rise buildings, the primary objective of the beautification of the surrounding buildings as the area is all the time crowded. So here's the primary objective, and here's the some views after the creating of how illumination is done over the building and how attract the people and give aesthetic value to the building. Here is the initial and after the illumination of the building. Here is the after effect of this Golghar, and here is the after effects of this Command Bhavan. And here is the Bapu Savagar, which is designed by Delhi architect. And here is the main element of Gandhi statue in Ranivali. So and all riverfront development, which is very like Buddha Ghat, Bhagwa Ghat. Here is the ghat where it's redeveloped by the Bihar government by the smart city project. And here is the riverfront development, all where ghats is redeveloped along this. Thank you so much for this.